In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Call of Duty Black Ops. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open players, right click on the game and select open file location. Open players and this is your game progress. Before dropping this 100% save, backup your game progress. Right click on blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder backup. Drag and drop your game progress inside and drag and drop the 100% save file in this location and launch the game. Once you are in game, select the campaign and select mission select and select the mission you like to play. To show you guys it's working, I'm gonna select this. And the save file is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.